Thank you for joining us for another Series NRX accessory tutorial video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install primary adapters on a draw-out cassette. To install the primary adapters, you will need all of the following tools and parts: one 6mm torque wrench, 6 primary adapters ordered from Eaton, 12 bolts provided with the adapters, and 12 washers also provided with the adapters. In this section, we will demonstrate how to install a primary adapter to a draw-out cassette. When making bolted connections to the equipment or to the adapters themselves, all which have pre-tapped holes, it is important not to exceed the recommended torque values. In addition, any connection hardware should be the exact length required and not extend out past the mounting holes. Failure to follow these requirements could result in equipment damage and/or failure. For a horizontal bus connection, bolt the adapter to the vertically positioned mounting holes. Use the horizontally positioned mounting holes for a vertical bus connection. Torque the bolts to 120 inches per pound using a torque wrench. In this section, we will demonstrate how to remove a primary adapter. To remove a primary adapter, loosen the bolts and the adapter will detach. This completes the draw-out cassette primary adapter tutorial. For additional tutorials and information on Eaton's Series NRX breakers, please visit us at eaton.com/Series NRX. For questions or further support, please contact your local Eaton sales representative.